ready to go for another run Sunday morning. It's really cold. There's frost and everything. The sun's coming up though. It should warm up pretty quick. Should be okay. But yeah, that's how cold it is. Good morning for a run. It's finally above freezing. Danny looks cold.
Oh yeah.
Getting lots of elevation gain on this run. It's a lot of work. It's like a race down here. Just cruising. It's snowing. There's one on my finger. So we came up to the mountain to find snow. We have snow and a skating rink. Feels like home. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a couple degrees above. It's gorgeous. Remember Christoph and Tiffany?
Hello.
They went hiking with us, so they brought us here, and it's great.
Woohoo!
It's Monday, and I just wanted to talk a little bit. I started one new class today, so I have 3 new classes because it's a new trimester. So the class I started today is Revival Apologetics, so it's kind of finding the theology behind a lot of the crazy things that we see here. So if you don't know much about Bethel, there's a lot of crazy things, and so it's finding the biblical base for that. And I think the most interesting thing I got out of that is, do we use the Bible as our foundation where we base our life on and grow from there, or do we use it as our ceiling, that we need to basically find a verse for everything, and if there's not a verse then we can't do it. So I think those are 2 very valuable thoughts.
Hi guys, so don't mind the background noise. Jeremy's just playing Xbox. Today at school we had Havilah Cunnington, and she used to be the director of More Revolution, and she works really closely with Chris Valentin, so that was really cool. She was really fun to listen to. She had a lot of stories, but she was actually talking about our war against the devil, and that it doesn't have to be us slashing and fighting him all the time, that we actually have the Bible to just, whenever he is attacking us, we can just use a Bible verse and like declare it over our lives, and then he will flee. So I thought that was really interesting, that sometimes we go about our lives and we're like, oh, it's the devil, it's the devil, it's the devil, but it's because we're prolonging it and we're not just getting rid of him right away, because we have the authority to do that.
Going to abide, what we're going to do is we're going to stop. It just means stop. You know, in Psalm 146:10 it says, "Be still and know that I am God."
He's so cute.
I got Cheyenne a card.
A little one.
What did you learn in school today?
So love your neighbor as yourself. Just kidding. I learned that it's very important to stay connected to your heart, and that sounds super duper cheesy, but like to actually know what your heart is feeling. And so like if you need to process pain, and if your heart's feeling pain, then you need to process that, and you can't just shove it down, because then your heart will just slowly become sadder and sadder.
We went to California and it snowed like crazy. It's very wet snow. This is a ridiculous amount of
That is a lot of heavy
snow.
The lights are off.
All the trees are broken. The street lights are off. It's like apocalyptic out here. Oh, there's a power line down. Right there.
Right on that person's car.
Right on their car. The worst part about power outages is that my coffee maker doesn't work.
So, because our power's out, we're having a great meal of cereal for breakfast, and we just found out that our first classes this morning are cancelled anyways, so that's exciting!
At least have off and down.
On an adventure to see the world all in havoc, because nobody knows what to do with this much snow in Reading. There's a lot of snow on the road, guys. Our poor little car. What? That bridge is closed too.
Looks like our bridge is closed.
The tree says so.
Oh, that tree just broke off. That's huge.
Oh my gosh. It's like not today, guys. So we just found out that we don't have school for the rest of the day. So this has to be my first snow day, because being homeschooled, like, you didn't really get them.
I'm 7 kilometers in, and it's time for my alien gooey stuff. So I'm 2/3 of the way done, 14 kilometers. It's gone pretty good. I passed a team of people who are clearing the trail, so no more trees on the trail. Get my pace back up.
So we're back to our nice California weather. It's 13 degrees and sunny. Guys, it's some fellow Canadians. Hi guys!
I just finished our 9-kilometer run. Just ran around Lima Ranch. It's 16 degrees, so we're using the AC again. We just got back from watching Instant Family. It was a story about
It was so cute!
a family who adopted or fostered 3 kids and then adopted them.
It was a true story, guys, and you need to watch it because it was the best movie I've ever seen.
It was really good, really well done movie.